You. No, that's Mommy's juice. Where's your juice? Where are your pickles? Allie, where are your pickles? Hunter's gonna get your pickles. You better go get them. Where are they? Oh, good thing you got them. Yeah, bye-bye, Hunter. Bye-bye. Do you like pickles? We're waving at Kitty. Bye-bye, Kitty. Oh, nice pets for Kitty. Yeah, good job. Bye-bye, Kitty. Hey, bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Where's Hunter? Oh, good job. Blue kisses and everything. Hunter has an owie in his paw, doesn't he?
Dad.
Yep, dog.
Dad.
You say puppy?
Dad.
It's a dog. Where's your dog? Where'd Stitch go?
Oh.
Whoa, they found him. Relax, relax. Did you give Stitch a kiss? Good job. Oh, you spun out there. Need help? Okay, get up there. Whoa. You're actually sitting on Stitch.
Dad.
I don't know if he likes that.
Oh.
Yep, I'll take that. That's Mommy's.
Dad.
Okay, thank you. We don't need to play with library books. Down. You covering you guys up? Take a nap with Stitch? Yep, nap with Stitch. Oh, do you love your Stitch? Give him a hug. Oh, good job. Give him a big smooch. Give me a kiss. Oh, that's a nice hug. Oh, good job. Yay! All right, good night. Where'd Stitches go? Where'd he go? Say, there he is! What? He's okay. He's burrowing in. Oh, there he is. There he is. You rescued him.
Dad.
Yep. Bye-bye, Stitch. Go say bye-bye. Wait, bye-bye. Relax, Hunter. It's okay. Oh, you found your blankie. Okay. Good job. Allie, come here, Stitch. Stitch, come here. Stitch, come on. Come on, Stitch, up here. Stitches, come on. You tell him. Where are your pickles, Allie?
Oh. Dad.
Yep, what's his name? Who is that? Who is that?
Yeah.
Who is that? Can you say Stitch? Allie, is that Stitch? Was that Hunter's tail? Alright, 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 calm down.
Oh.
Are you up there with Hunter? Don't like his tail? Who is that? Oh, nice burp.
What's that?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
That.
Is that Stitch?
That.
What does the puppy say? Oof. What does the puppy say?
That.
Oh, I don't know what that means.
That.
Hmm. Who are you waving to? Yeah, bye-bye, ceiling. Whoa. Hug for Stitch. Oh, good job. Hug. Hug. Oh, that's nice. Oh, you love Stitch, huh?
That.
Yep.
That. That.
I don't actually know what that means. Can you spin? Show me how you spin. Wow! Spin! Spin, spin, spin! Oh, like a ballerina. Are you dizzy? Whoa! And Alice goes kaboom. Can you say kaboom? Jump, jump! Hey, jump! Get up and jump! Jump, jump! Whoa! Jumped right over. Jump! Wow! You're a wild thing. Good job. On your chair. Are you gonna read Stitch a story? Wow, that's a lot of books. Are those for Stitch?